Hey, from Glen Burnie to Elkton, from Dundalk to Westminster, we are ready for our lives as we know them to end around 9 o'clock tonight.
People around the area spent the lunch breaks buying up everything that they needed to get them through the next 40 hours. You know, the toilet paper, the water, everything. And as said before, every major storm, county officials are telling everybody to stay at home if you can. ABC 2 News' Jeff Hager continues our live team coverage tonight. He's live in Westminster. Jeff?
You know, historically, Carroll County's used to some pretty major snowstorms, but not so often in March. And we found plenty of people today busy getting ready for it. It may have seemed like the winter that wasn't, but now Phil Jones is springing forward to find snow shovels. That's a pretty small shovel.
It is small. So we're going to get our grandchildren, we're going to get them involved and see what we're going to have.
Nancy Southard felt lucky to score a gasoline can.
Just prepared in case we need the generator. You got to have gas, so, a few years ago we were out of electric for 3 days.
And Mohammed Adjararhe snapped up some ice melt.
Seems to be like, the biggest winter storm in March history.
On a countywide scale, work crews started preparations for a major snowfall 24 hours ago, mindful that 16-hour shifts to clear 989 miles of road await them.
Well, right now we have crews out. We're salt brining the roads. You'll see the little lines across the road there. And we're also putting a layer of salt out, too, so when the public goes out and rides the roads, there'll crush the salt in there. Crews will be out at 8 o'clock tonight, and we're going to go ahead and monitor the storm. We're going to go ahead and start with a phase 1, which is salt in operation, and we'll go from there.
County leaders are calling on citizens not to underestimate what may be the first, the biggest, and quite possibly the last major snowstorm of the season.
We're preparing for the worst and hoping for the best. And usually when we prepare a lot, people think, it won't be much of an event. However, the National Weather Service is telling us and they keep upping the amount of snow we're anticipating. So we're doing our best to try to engage people, tell them to start canceling things now.
Cancellations that are sure to frustrate some, but which will come as a blessing to others.
The kids need it. They need a day off. It's all about the kids, right? My grandchildren, Mason and Adam, are you listening? You need to have a day off, right? So, and my neighbor, she has twins and she's a school teacher. She wants a day off. So I said a prayer and God says, all right, let it snow.
The Emergency Operations Center here will open up at 7 o'clock tonight, and already the county's announced that all county office buildings will be closed on Tuesday. That's tomorrow. Reporting live in Carroll County, Jeff Hager, ABC 2 News.